Choose to rent. Advancing events through technology.
In this video, we will cover how to properly load and calibrate badge paper in the Epson C4000. Insert the power cable into the back of the printer, followed by the USB cable connected to your PC. Feed the badge paper in with black timing marks, facing down and the blank side facing up. Lift the blue lever to adjust the take-in guides. Tap the pause button to unpause the printer and advance the paper through, and the cut button to cut the badge paper. From the media settings, choose your media type and choose media form. Under Media Detect, select Black Mark. Under Media Source, select Rear Feed. Under Media Shape, select Fanfold. Under Media Layout, type in your paper's dimensions. Our example is 4 by 6. From the Maintenance menu, navigate to Calibration, tap on Simple Media Detect, and start to begin paper calibration. For more information, visit choose2rent.com.